also developing the latest twist in the legal saga surrounding the Broward Sheriff. The Florida Department of Law Enforcement is now asking a judge to pull Gregory Tony's police certification. Local 10's Christian De La Rosa is live with what he's learned. Christian.
And Nicole, that would mean that the sheriff here in Broward County would lose his license to be a cop. FDLE's Criminal Justice and Standards Commission recommending Broward Sheriff Gregory Tony is suspended and put on probation for failing to disclose information on a driver license application, the commission seen in part. The sheriff of Broward County is inherently held to a higher standard, adding, the position of an officer is one of great public trust, and the respondent's calculated actions have broken that trust.
I can't recall.
The recommendation stemming from a complaint filed by FDLE investigators last summer. It claims Sheriff Tony made false statements on multiple occasions.
A total of 5 times.
The alleged falsehood, reportedly failing to disclose his license, had been suspended in 1993 and 1998 back in Pennsylvania. During this hearing on the case back in February, he said it wasn't on purpose, claiming he was just distracted.
Because we're trying to get my driver's license, resolved. I was the first African-American sheriff in the history of this county. So there was a lot of pictures, a lot of hugs and kisses.
A judge will have the final say in all of this, but even if the judge chooses to follow FDLE's recommendation and suspends his license to be a cop and puts him on probation, Gregory Tony could still serve as sheriff here in Broward County because this is an elected position, one that he plans to run for later this year in November. We'll wait and see what happens, and we will keep you posted. By the way, we've already reached out to the sheriff and his attorney for comment. So far, no comment. Live outside of BSO headquarters, I'm Christian De La Rosa, Local 10 News.